guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I have for you another studio vlog, and today I'm going to show you how I do my foil stickers. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, the first thing I do is I pull it up on my printer. On my machine. I pull up whatever I'm going to do in foil. I pull it up on my computer and then I send it to the printer. And I've already sent it because it takes a while for it to print. But I have various printers. I have 3 printers. I have 2 color printers. And then I have 1 laser printer that I've had for years and years. I'll link it all below, but it's an old printer because I use it for my tax business. So I've had it since 2006. They probably don't even sell it anymore, and it's a big kind of expensive one. So, but I will link it if I can still find it. They probably don't even sell it anymore. So once I print these out, I made some new stickers too from my sticker shop. Once I print these out, I use my silhouette machine. So I line it up on there, and I printed some out all ready to do because I'm going to add them to my shop. So I line it up on my machine with the arrow for it to go to the top, and then put it over here in the machine and hit load, and then I go to my computer and I send it, and then machine just cuts it out. And I'll speed through this because it takes a minute and it's loud. So okay, that's the printer, my laser printer that I have. And this is the machine that I have to do my foil. It is the Heidi Swapp Minc. So this is what I'm going to use to do my foiling. Okay, once it finishes, it pulls it back out. And then you just unload it. And what I like to do, they give you this with the silhouette machine. This is the silhouette Cameo 3, and I like it. I haven't tried the Cricut. I like it because it does the kiss cut, and it does the, I don't know what you call it, the total cutout. So I don't have to cut anything once I make it. It automatically does it for me, which I like. See, and I try to utilize as much paper as I can, so I do 5 on 1 sheet. And to take them off, I gotta do that one. I pull that out first, and then I roll the sheet back so they're not bent, so I don't bend the stickers, and I just roll the form back and then hold the stickers down. That way the stickers are still flat and they're not bent. So I have 5 little different sheets, and each one of them are going to be a different color. And I already cut out my foil here to place it on here. So we're going to go over to my foil machine, and then I'll show you guys how I do that. So stay tuned. Let me straighten that up so you can see. And I'm going to stand up so you won't see me. But what I do is I like to put them in the crease. So they give you this big old sheet. It's humongous. I guess in case you're doing something big. But I just like to put them all in here out order, so I know which color I'm using. So my 1 is my gold, my 2 is my rose gold, my 3 is my silver, and 4 is my mint green, and then 5 is my pink. And when you put the foil on here, it has to be face up. for it to take. So let me do it from the bottom. I don't know why I stuck them that way. It works better when whatever you're using is in the actual crease. My air just came on, so it's loud. But it's hot. Then silver. Green for number 4. And then the pink for number 5. And I like to put a sheet of paper over top of it because when you fold this thing down, it flies these little sheets away because they're so freaking thin. And I just fold it down, and that keeps them from moving, and you just stick it through, and this machine feeds it by itself. You probably can use a regular laminator. I've just never tried it. Oh, it turned off, and then I'm gonna wait for it to put back up. I put it on 4 or 5. I may hit it too many times, so once it heats up, it'll stop blinking, and then you'll know. So let me let this heat up, and we'll come back. Okay, it must have just cut off because it turned right back green real fast. And the green indicator lets you know that it's done. So I just stick it through here. It tells you to put the foil on 3, but to me it seems like I was having to run it through twice when I put it on 3. So I put it on 5. And it feeds it through itself. And once it comes out and it gets to this end, the front is already cool. So you're supposed to wait for it to cool down. But I don't have to since I put it on. Since the sheet is so long, it's already cool by the time the other side gets out. So hopefully you'll be able to see the colors of them. And then if you like them, check out my Etsy shop. I have these up and ready for you guys to purchase if you like them. And also I have another sticker that, let me see if it's showing. Yeah. Have another sticker that that's going to be in my shop as well. It's called Kissable Lips. And it's just lips, and it's all different sizes, and it's 3 different colors, 4 different colors, red, purple, pink, and then this yellowish color of lipstick. So if you like those, check them out. Let me get them. Yeah. See, those are really cute. So I'm going to see if I can put them on the clear stickers. Okay, so it's out the other side, and it's cool. This bottom part is still warm, but this side is cool. So I just open it up, pull it off. I don't know where that paper stuck. Oh, because it was messed up the side. Didn't get over there on the peak. Anyways, I just pull these off. And then you can see, this is the mint green. Hope you can see that. Color is so pretty. My favorite color is green. So that's the mint green. That's number 4. You just pull these off. This is the hot pink, which is your number 5. I'm going to have to run this silver back through there because I didn't get the P. I don't know if I'm in the camera. I didn't get the P right there, so I'm going to run this silver back through there with this tip like this over here on the edge because it didn't use that part of it, so you can run it back through. I've tried that before and it actually works. So I'm not wasting. Let's do it right through there because we didn't use any of that under the bottom. So we're gonna run all that back through there. This is the rose gold. That's pretty as well. Can you see it? Ah, that's pretty. And then oh, get in frame, Steffanie. This is the regular gold, and there are 24 paydays on each one of these, and they're about 1.5 inches long, and then half an inch in length, and then 1.5 in width. So I think I'm saying it wrong. I might be saying it better. Okay, that is it, guys, for my studio vlog on how I make my foil stickers. All right, like I said, these are the 4 new foils that I have. They are payday stickers. I'm going to do some for work from home, vacation, PTO. I'm going to do some for that as well and have them on my site. So check in the description box below for a link to my Etsy shop. And again, I have these new lip stickers and then some other stickers as well that are in my shop. But these are going to be my 2 newest ones. I haven't been working on any stickers lately because I've been busy doing that real estate stuff and working. So anyhow, and I'm also going to be coming out with some decals. But if you'd like to see anything else that I do, I did the t-shirts last week. Click up here and it'll link you to how I make my custom t-shirts for my studio vlog number 1, and then this is my number 2. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.